Hey guys, this is Vidal over here at Mac Haik Toyota. Today we'll be showing you how to set your liftgate height on your 2025 Toyota Sequoia. So what we'll do is make our way to our hatch switch, open up our tailgate. Once we find a comfortable spot where we want it at, we'll hit our open button, not the lock button. Hold it down for 2 seconds. Once you hear those beeps, the tailgate height has now been set and programmed. Double check the function just to make sure that everything went through. If you want to revert your tailgate height back to the full top setting, what we're going to do is gently lift it till we feel the hinge catch. Hold our tailgate button. Once you hear the beeps, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions on how to operate your power tailgate on your 2025 Toyota Sequoia, please feel free to reach out to Mac Haik Toyota. Thank you.